So, we invested $150 into the crypto market. And it crashed twice.
The crypto market isn't something to joke about. There's a ton of uncertainty with it. Nevertheless, we here at Growth managed to recoup a lot of our money back through a lot of witty thinking and helpful tips, some of which we will share in this video first to beginners.
Well, after we invested $150 into the market, it crashed horribly, leaving us with just $83. And you might be wondering, how did we manage to get anywhere close to that after losing basically half our money? Well, we used something we would recommend. We stayed up all night, constantly trading, and through that experience we got, it just helped us a lot. We got a massive benefit from it.
First of all, getting a healthy habit of checking the crypto market is important. If you check the crypto market too much, it will interfere into your personal career, also give you anxiety, but it's really going to interfere your personal career to where you cannot make steady income. If you don't check the crypto market often enough, you'll miss the times where you have to buy and sell. By keeping the healthy schedule on checking the crypto market, you'll be able to make a lot more steady income. And secondly, it's not a good idea to pull out when popular coins start to drop. Popular coins are popular for a reason, and there's a reason why they have high prices. Just because they drop does not mean you should pull out of it, because that will just lead to loss of money.
Following our newly learned principles, we managed to recover our seed to $120, and everything was going great.
Well, until another crash.
After tasting a bit of sweet profit, crashing was nothing but just bitter. This time, it brought us down by about 8.6%. However, this one felt different. There was always that optimism that we could get the money back and finally achieve our profit for the first time since we entered the market. It only took 3 days and we were finally up and running again. Our money increased at a steady rate as it usually did, and there was always that confidence that we would reach our ultimate goal.
Overall, we learned tons and tons of new things that we hope to help us invest better in the future. And soon enough, we'll be putting in greater amounts into the market so we can make even larger profits.
Alright guys, thanks for listening to our video. If you want to see more content, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and just continue to support our channel. We really appreciate it. Thanks.
Shoot. Hey guys, it's your boy here, and today I'm gonna do a handstand. Let's go. This is dangerous, and I highly recommend not doing this at home. Thankfully, I'm not at home. I'm in a hotel. Okay. I just have to commit to it, but it's scary, you know. Okay, I think I'm sorry to disappoint you guys, but I can't do this right now.